Hello, my name is Carlos from Cisco SD-WAN Tech team. In this video, you'll learn how to renew certificates with manual option on SD-WAN controllers. Log in on your vManage and open the main menu. Click on Administrations and then Settings. Open Controller Certificate Authorization and edit. Choose Manual option and proceed. Save. Open the main menu and choose Configurations, Certificates. Click on Controllers and open the three dots for vManage. Click on Generate CSR. Copy the certificate and close this pop-up. Then log in on your Plug and Play portal and select Certificates. Click on Generate Certificate. Paste the certificate into the Certificate Sign-in Request box. Fill with the certificate name, description, and choose Valid period for 2 years. Then click on Next and Submit. Next, click on Done. Download the certificate and go back into the vManage. Select Install Certificate and select the file. Choose All Files and select Certificate Renewal. Open the file and install. Certificate installation is completed. Follow the same steps for vBond and vSmart. Finally, you should have install status on vBond and vBond updated on vSmart and vManage. Thank you for watching this video.